Welcome back to Core Tech. Today we're taking a closer look at a mouse build for competitive excellence, the 2026 Logitech G Pro X2 Superlight. Designed in collaboration with professional esports players, this mouse focuses on speed, precision, and reliability. With refined hardware and wireless performance, it continues Logitech's legacy of creating some of the most trusted gaming peripherals in the world. Ultra-lightweight design, 2026 Logitech G Pro X2 Superlight. The 2026 Logitech G Pro X2 Superlight stays true to its name with an ultra-lightweight design that minimizes fatigue during long gaming sessions. Logitech carefully balances weight reduction with structural strength, ensuring the mouse feels solid despite its featherlight build. The symmetrical shape accommodates a wide range of grip styles, making it comfortable for both claw and fingertip users. Next Generation Hero Sensor, 2026 Logitech G Pro X2 Superlight. At the heart of the 2026 Logitech G Pro X2 Superlight is Logitech's latest Hero sensor. This sensor delivers exceptional tracking accuracy with zero acceleration or smoothing, ensuring every movement is translated perfectly on screen. High DPI support and consistent performance across different surfaces make it ideal for fast-paced competitive games where precision is critical. Wireless performance and lightspeed technology, 2026 Logitech G Pro X2 Superlight. Wireless reliability is a standout feature of the 2026 Logitech G Pro X2 Superlight. Logitech's lightspeed technology provides ultra-low latency that rivals wired connections. This ensures responsive input during intense gameplay, giving competitive players confidence that every click and movement is registered instantly without interference or lag. Clicks, switches, and responsiveness, 2026 Logitech G Pro X2 Superlight. The 2026 Logitech G Pro X2 Superlight features refined mechanical switches designed for crisp, consistent clicks. Each press feels fast and tactile, offering excellent feedback without being overly stiff. These switches are engineered for durability, ensuring reliable performance even after millions of clicks, which is essential for competitive gaming environments. Battery life and charging, 2026 Logitech G Pro X2 Superlight. Despite its lightweight design, the 2026 Logitech G Pro X2 Superlight delivers impressive battery life. A single charge can last through multiple days of heavy use, and charging is quick and convenient. This allows players to focus on performance without worrying about downtime during important matches or practice sessions. Software customization and profiles, 2026 Logitech G Pro X2 Superlight. Customization is handled through Logitech's G Hub software, where users can fine-tune DPI levels, button assignments, and performance profiles. The 2026 Logitech G Pro X2 Superlight allows settings to be saved directly to onboard memory, making it easy to carry your preferred setup across different systems and tournaments. Competitive gaming experience, 2026 Logitech G Pro X2 Superlight. In real-world use, the 2026 Logitech G Pro X2 Superlight excels in competitive scenarios. The combination of ultra-lightweight design, precise tracking, and low-latency wireless performance makes it a top choice for esports athletes and serious gamers alike. Every movement feels controlled, smooth, and responsive. Final verdict, 2026 Logitech G Pro X2 Superlight. The 2026 Logitech G Pro X2 Superlight continues to set the standard for competitive gaming mice. With its lightweight build, elite sensor performance, reliable wireless connectivity, and professional-grade design, it delivers exactly what competitive players need. For anyone serious about esports or high-level gaming in 2026, this mouse remains a clear and confident choice.